So yung process namin is that we partner with salons and barbershops and even local communities. So pag may women's group ka in an area, so dinidiscuss namin sa kanila yung different opportunities ng human hair. So instead na tinatapon nila yon sa basura or sa landfill, they actually practice segregation. So tinuturuan namin yung mga establishments how to practice segregation. Kasi in reality, pag nasa salon ka, yung buhok mo kasama na sa tissue. Yung buhok mo kasama na sa
Yeah.
mga nail clippings or nail trims, no?
Yeah.
So,
Kasi 'pag nagugupit nga sa barbershop, for
mix
example,
na.
nakakalat lang sa
Oo.
sahig, tapos wawalisin na lang at the end of the
Oo,
day.
oo. Pero of course, may mga natatanggap pa rin kaming may halo. So, may manual processing pa yun. Pero yun,
Hmm.
we partner with salons, barbershop. So, right now, we have almost 80, almost 100.
Oh,
80 to
in
100 in
Iligan?
Iligan City alone, no?
Oh, wow.
We used to operate in Cagayan de Oro 2 years ago, but we decided to stop temporarily because of OPEX.